I'm about to show you guys on my video is how you can maintain your frizzy nizimarang wapasan hair if you don't want to use coconut oil, or you don't want to use the baby oil or any of those chemical products that we usually buy it from the store. So this treatment is so simple. It's herbal and it doesn't damage your hair. So this is what I do. I just finished washing my hair in a shower. Usually this is the most excuse the noise in my background. This is what I hate, dealing with my hair. So I always, this crazy okurang. I usually do very insecure about this crazy curly frizzy hair. So so hi again, my Facebook YouTubers. This is my video that what I am going to show you guys how I get to manage and maintain my hygiene or my health, especially my appearance, my hair. So I just came out from the shower. I did wash my hair with my shampoo, then I mixed it with some of my own ingredients, like safe ingredients, not toxic chemicals. So the other thing I want to share with everyone who loves watching my video is this thing. So I know a lot of us Micronesian Chuukese ladies, we don't pay attention to this important beautiful plant. This is a really great awesome plant, and if you want to use it in your home just to get some health from this plant, it's really awesome. I started using this aloe vera plant. Now I started using it for my hair and for my face, and sometimes some other parts of my body. So today I wanted to share this with everyone. The date today is January 24. It's a Saturday afternoon. So I'm gonna use this to fix it or apply the gel in my hair. So I got this much size of the plant. It smells like, you're not gonna like the smell because it's very strong, but after all, when you apply it in your hair, it's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna use it on my hair and on my face. So I cut the aloe vera plant, and then I'm just gonna do it this way. So right here, this is how I cut it like that. So the first thing I would do is I'm gonna scrub this. You get your spoon, kitchen spoon, and then I'm just gonna scrub it in here. So this is something I learned very, very important. A benefit. It gives you healthy hair. So just watch what I'm doing. I'm scraping out. I'm scraping out all the gel, and yeah, I'm scraping out all the gel. It smells. It's really smelly. It smells at the same time. You're not gonna like the smell though. But after, it's gonna give your hair really healthy looking shiny glow. So just watch what I'm doing. I was thinking to apply some onion and garlic juice, mix it with my hair ingredients today, but I think I'm just gonna go with the aloe vera today. So I save mine in my ice box on the bottom so it doesn't get dry out. I want to save it so I don't have to keep spending money, because if you have an aloe vera plant, you can just plant it outside your home. That would be so awesome. But if you don't have one, then you have to buy this thing at the store, and that's what I did. I bought this aloe vera leaf, like one big one, and I save it just to use this for my beauty products. So I'm using a spoon. So when you don't do anything at home, stay off your Facebook for a while, just for a few minutes, like maybe 30 minutes, and take care of yourself. So I know when you apply it, it's gonna kind of smell. It smells. The thing it smells. But you gotta see, I'm gonna wrap my hair after. So it's like, it's better than, man, if I have a mixer, I would mix it in a mixer, but I don't have a mixer. So I'm just, see how I'm applying it in my hair. I'm applying this in my hair, especially my Nizimaran hair here. You don't need to wash it off. You just wrap it in a towel. It'll dry out. Because I also have problem losing my hair. It keeps falling off. This is something I'm having trouble with, losing my hair since living in a state. As you can see, it's like a gel, but it's a herbal gel because you're using a plant. You're not using chemicals, but you're you're using. So I want to get back with you when I get dry and show you guys how it looks after the gel dry out. So stay tuned. So welcome again to my channel, 691 Beauty, Fashion Beauty. um as you are looking to my ugly face, um, I am really not I am not happy with how aging, or I would say in Chuukese, how wow, nap is giving my skin, especially my facial beauty. As you can see, I'm getting rid of the aging dark spot and just some really aging spot is growing out on my face. And I'm not the type of a woman that likes to see dark near on skin dark spot. So I try still, even if it's showing, the dark spot is showing on my face, but I still try to maintain it. So this is another beauty hack I used, like not every day, but it would be really awesome. It's gonna be effective if you use it every day. So another beauty hack, I'm gonna show you guys how to apply it and use it. If you don't ever use it or you don't know, then this is something that I use it with my hair and with different kind of healthy benefits. So